Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to do a little video about the one skill that you need in order to be successful on making money online. Now, if you like videos about different ways to make money online and different vehicles on vehicles, which I mean are programs or different platforms that you want to make money on, make sure you hit subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time I do a video. I try to do a video at least once a day. The problem I've had in this last week, I don't know if you know that the Western North America is basically on fire. So we've had crazy smoke in our house that our house is almost unlivable. We had the worst air in the world, which is crazy. So it's been a little bit sporadic here, trying to keep my kids safe. And then on top of that, the pier of our city just burnt down. So we had all this creosote smoke coming in on top of the forest fires from Washington State and Seattle, or Oregon and Washington State. So it's getting a little bit clearer now. We got another air filter going through the house, so we're just trying to make the air at least breathable and not have these crazy massive headaches from the smoke. Anyways, enough about that. Let's get into how to make money online, the number one skill you need. So a lot of people do affiliate marketing, and they do it like this. And don't worry, guys, I have something really cool for you at the end of this. It's going to take about 10 minutes. I just want to explain a few things, and then we're going to get to the skill that you need. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it. Now, a lot of affiliate marketers, they do this. They go and they get an affiliate offer, like whether they go to Amazon and get an Amazon link, or they find something that they'd like to use. You know, maybe they're promoting hosting services or art services or vacation services, or maybe it's digital products, which is my favorite, from JVZoo or Warrior Plus or ClickBank. And if you don't know any of those, just go Google them. Google JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank. Google those names, and you can join for free, and you can get these free affiliate offers. Now, why they're great, it's great to learn how to do that, but so many people do this. They go get a link and then they just spam it everywhere, and they put it on social media, and then they go, this affiliate marketing stuff doesn't work. Well, the thing is, the money is in the follow-up. And as affiliate marketing gets more and more popular, it just continues to grow every single day. There's new marketers coming online. I see so many more offers, and so many of the traditional big box stores are actually starting to use affiliates to do selling for them as well. They figure, there's all these people with influence online, and they can pay a small amount of the acquisition cost of that customer to an affiliate, where they don't have to do all this advertising, right? Because people aren't watching the advertising avenues that like they once did. They're looking at different places. They're looking at social media. So if they put an ad in social media, a lot of people can skip those now. But if they have an influencer promoting it, then it's more likely to stick, right? And they can pay a small amount for that. So what is that one skill? The one skill that you need is you need to be able to build an email list. And there's a couple key things to having an email list. But why do you need to build an email list? Because the money is in the follow-up. It always is. It always has been. Go to a car sales lot, right? And I know the used salesman, but go there and leave your name, like test drive something, and leave your name with a salesman. I guarantee that salesman, if they're good, they will call you up to 7 times. They really will, or more, because they know they need to follow up. They need to, like, every couple of days, they're like, hey, just letting you know. They'll have some excuse to call you. They'll be like, yeah, that car, that one you were looking for. Hey, I found one in the color you wanted. Or, you wanted the next model up. Well, I found that in the next model up, right? Because they know the money is in the follow-up. They need to be on top of it, because you are looking to make that purchase as far as they're concerned, and they need to be front of mind always. Why do you think realtors, once you buy or sell a house with a realtor, every year you're going to get Christmas cards. Every year you're going to get a calendar. Every couple of months you're going to get a newsletter from them. Why? Because they want you to have them top of mind. Same thing with online, right? But with online, we have so much distraction that we really need to get focused on what we're doing. And the skill that you need to do is to be diligent about building your email list every single day. That should be your number one goal, not sending out affiliate links. Getting affiliate links and trying to make that sale. Your number one goal is to build your email list. Once you have people on your email list, your job is to engage with those people every single day. And you might be going, well, I don't want to get an email from someone every day. If they're providing the content that you want, you do want to. And when people fall into your funnel, as we call it, and if you don't know what a funnel is, just think of an actual funnel. And people are going to come in the top, and they're going to figure out different ways they're going to come in, right? They're going to come in the top, and as they go down, you're going to keep giving them more and more information until you get them to a point where they want to buy. And the funnel can be a series of web pages that they step through. It can be a series of emails that is taking them on a journey to get to what they're looking for. Right? So the number one skill, guys, is building an email. Now, another question that comes up is like, well, what do I write these people? Guys, there's 1,000 things to write. The biggest thing is just be yourself. You can write short emails. You can write long emails. You can write soap opera emails. All you need to do is create a relationship with your email list. That's all it is. I highly recommend putting in offers so they get used to you asking them to do something, right? So maybe it might be, a lot of people do the Gary Vaynerchuk, the jab hook or whatever you call it. So what they'll do is, I'm going to give you value. I'm going to give you value. I'm going to give you value. I'm going to ask you for something. I'm going to give you value. I'm going to give you value. I'm going to give you value. I'm going to ask you for something, right? And it goes on and on and on. So this is how you build up that rapport. Now, some marketers, myself included, I put an offer in every single email because my goal, my email list is about opportunity seeking, right? So opportunity seekers, if they're true entrepreneurs, they don't want like a whole big backstory. They want the goods. They so basically my list that I'm building, because I like to get to the point, right? I don't like long drawn out sort of windy stuff. I like to get to the point. So what I do is I just say, hey, if you're looking for XYZ and this is working really well, or hey, I just did a new video on what's the number one thing that you need to make money online, whatever it is, I use those and I say, hey, go check out my video. Not everything has to have a price tag on it, but basically you want them to click a link and go somewhere to see the content you're going to deliver them. Whether it's content as in it's a new piece of software or something they may need, or maybe it's just purely some educational value, right? Like you've got a new blog post. Hey, I just wrote a new blog post, but hopefully in that blog post, you have a call to action for them to do something in it. Or in your video, you've got a call to action for them to do something. And that's what's so key. So when you get those people on your list and you get them engaged with clicking, this is where the money comes in, guys. Now you can go get any kind of offer you want, a travel offer, an Amazon product or whatever. They're already used to whatever you're sending them. And if that is something that they're interested in, which hopefully, because you're going to read your list, you don't want to send them completely something non-congruent, but you're more chance you're going to make sales. Now there's two things that I recommend for building your list, and it's super, super important. There's what we call a lead magnet, which is a free product for them to give you. You give them a free product, they give you their email, right? The second one is a funded proposal. And a funded proposal is slightly different, whereas you're going to ask for a small amount of money for them to get, they're going to pay you and give you their email, and you're going to deliver them something of value, right? Now, what's better? Well, it depends, but you're going to make more money if you can get someone onto your email list with a funded proposal. Truly. If you get someone on, because they're already an active buyer, they've already committed to you saying, you know what, I think what you've put in front of me is worth some money. I'm going to pay you. So next time you go to give them something that's worth money, they're like, yeah, I'm going to pay. Now, when you give them something free and you give them something else free and you give them something else free, they're going to go, and then you say, oh, and this thing's going to cost you. They're going to go, well, where's the free thing? You've been giving me free. You've conditioned me to accept free things. So why build an email list with a funded proposal? Guys, it makes more sense. You will get to whatever your goal is. If you want to make $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, whatever your goal is, right? You will get there faster by building your email list with a funded proposal. Now, at the bottom, there is a link right below this. This is unbelievable. This is probably the best email list builder I've ever had. I've tried everything, guys. I still have. I have downloadable books on my website. I've lots of free opt-in places, right? How fast does that grow my list? Fairly slowly, maybe 5 to 10 subscribers a day, maybe, right? 5 to 10 of different stuff. Like I'm putting people on my list every day, probably 5 to 10 from those different things. My funded proposal link that I'm sending paid traffic to, anywhere from 30 plus people a day added to my list. Sales every single day, right? And those are generic opportunity seekers because it's a very generic page that I'm going to show you. And now I can transition those people into selling them anything, and I do. And it's brilliant. In about just like 2 months, I've put almost 2,500 people onto my email list. Like, it's insane. It's amazing. It's growing so fast, and made a lot of money from those people just by then letting the autoresponder series run and sending them different offers. It's that simple. So the one skill you need to know is how to build your email list. Build it fast. Build it with quality leads. Funded proposal is the best way to do it. And then market to that. Engage that list daily. And if you don't know what to write, guys, in this link, in the link I'm going to show you, there's a product there for $10. It's the Millionaire Mastermind. In there is 1,000 email swipes. If you don't know what a swipe is, it's just the text, the body of an email that you can use. I recommend not sending it exactly because it might not be whatever the offer is. I recommend using it as a template, right? Take it, post it into a notepad, and then change it to fit your offer, right? The headlines are usually really, really good, like the subject line, so that they get open. But if it has to be changed slightly so that it fits your offer, then change it slightly. But have the same the same structure, right? So that's in this $10 product. Now, I recommend you go grab it right now. And you can see exactly how a funded proposal works. And hey, if you're not totally satisfied, it has a 30-day money back guarantee. Just get your $10 back and you're done. All right. So that's what I want you to do. Check it out. There's a few other links as well below. If you've already got a business going, there's a link for traffic. I highly recommend it. That's the best converting traffic that I found. Guys, hopefully this is helpful for you. Stop converting, or stop just promoting affiliate links. Build your email list. Every day, get up and go, I'm going to add 25 people to my email list. I'm going to add 25 people to my email list. Guys, because that's where the money is. And then you're going to follow up with those people. And people will unsubscribe. Don't worry about it. Just keep adding people to your email list. All right, guys, hopefully that's helpful. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification, and I'll see you later. Cheers.